The Honor Magic 7 Pro, launched in Europe and the UK, is a flagship smartphone that combines cutting-edge hardware with advanced AI capabilities. Powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset and 12 GB of RAM, it delivers top-tier performance suitable for demanding applications. The device features a versatile camera system, including a 50-megapixel main lens, a 200-megapixel telephoto lens, and a 50-megapixel ultra-wide lens, enhanced by AI-driven features like AI Super Zoom for improved clarity at high magnifications. Its 6.8-inch LTPO OLED display offers a 120 Hz refresh rate and a peak brightness of 5000 nits, ensuring vibrant visuals. The 5270 mAh silicon-carbon battery supports 100W wired and 80W wireless fast charging, providing extended usage with minimal downtime. Running on Android 15 with macOS 9.0, the Magic 7 Pro integrates AI functionalities such as Magic Portal and AI deepfake detection, enhancing user experience. With IP68 and IP69 ratings, it offers robust protection against water and dust. Available in Breeze Blue, Black, and Lunar Shadow, the Honor Magic 7 Pro is priced at £1,099.99 in the UK and €1,299 in Europe.